Namaskar. Today, I'll guide you to help you to relax and de-stress with 10 minutes of yoga session. Stress can cause many negative effects on our body, mind and our emotion. That is why it is very essential to take few minutes every day to unwind and let go of the tension. Let's begin our practice with equal breathing. This breathing technique helps to balance and regulate the flow of oxygen in our body, which can calm the mind and reduce stress and anxiety. Another is Balasana or child's pose. This pose gently stretches your hips, thighs and ankle while relaxing tension in your back, shoulder and neck. It can help to quieten your mind and promote relaxation. Third is cat-cow pose. This pose helps to release tension in the spine as well as in the neck, which can release stress and anxiety. The gentle movement also stimulates the flow of energy in your body, promoting a sense of calmness. Now let's understand Matsyasana or fish pose. This pose stretches the chest, throat and neck while opening your heart chakra. It can help release tension as well as stress while promoting feeling of love and compassion. Next is Yastikasana or stick pose. This pose helps to relieve tension in the entire body and bring deep relaxation. It can also help to improve circulation and stimulate the flow of energy in your body. Next is abdominal breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. This breathing technique helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system. This promotes relaxation and reduces stress and anxiety. Last is Shavasana or corpse pose. This pose is an ultimate relaxation pose, allowing your body and mind to fully let go of any tension or stress. It can help to reduce your fatigue. It helps lowering blood pressure and promotes feeling of relaxation and rejuvenation. All these techniques work together to balance the flow of energy in your body, activate your relaxation response and promote a sense of calmness. Remember, it's essential to take a few minutes every day to take care of yourself and let go of any tension and stress. By bringing these simple yoga poses and breathing techniques into your daily routine, you will feel more relaxed, centered and balanced. So, have a peaceful, relaxed and balanced day ahead. Namaskar.